Hello guys, today we're gonna play murder mystery. So let's go, Mika. Excuse.
Okay, wait.
Hi. What?
Where are you?
I'm here. On your back. So,
What?
ew, that zombie.
You.
Hello, bro.
Bro, are you AFK? Are you AFK? Are you AFK?
Are you AFK?
No. Alright. No, I don't need it. Me. I wanna be a murderer. OMG, don't look at my camera.
Because you're beside on me.
You're beside of me has a name. Come on, map. Go.
No. I went to the police station.
No.
I mean to the hospital. Because there won a victory on murder mystery.
I'm gonna go sit on this dude.
That's your crush, right?
No, this is not my crush. I just wanna teacher Ed. Hey, teacher Ed.
This is my rainbow egg.
Hey! She just rejected me with her egg. OMG, I'm so innocent. That's nonsense.
Alright, who's the murderer? It's the zombie.
No. I'm scared.
Let's go!
Okay, let me go, Jess. Oh, thanks.
Okay.
Yay! I'm dancing because I'm happy. Okay, let me go. Let's go to shop.
I want the dab.
What do you mean? Are you buying?
Yeah. Hey, don't look at me. Shoot.
Oh,
Don't! Get
but I might
out!
even look at your camera. OMG! Oh, I see the sheriff. The sheriff.
I'm the sheriff?
No.
Who?
Do you mean that?
Who's the sheriff?
You, not that zombie guy.
Who's the
I
sheriff?
don't know. Oh, do you mean the Mikey face?
The Mikey face is the sheriff?
I'm gonna go just follow him. OMG! No, come on, Mikey face. Do you don't know how to be a sheriff? Is there any easy to find that you're a nerd? Just hold your life and follow me. So that way I got away, OMG. Wait, why are you following me, huh? Huh? Why are you following me? Are you a
Throw! Throw!
If you're throwing the knife, then that means that
No! Where did he go?
come on, Sheriff. Who's the sheriff?
You know the Mikey face?
Oh, do you see? Do you see?
I almost killed him.
Almost.
I'm sorry guys to disturb.
Yellow is Blondie.
Alright, where are you people?
G, G, G. X.
Oh, I see him.
Right. Wait, what? OMG.
Alright,
May
guys.
I have hero say today? Let me go dance.
I want one mansion too.
Yay, yay. I'm not talking now. I want house.
No, mansion too. That's not house too, it's mansion too.
I didn't see it, sorry. Yay.
Do you know Pablo in Batang Kayapo?
No, inside there. Dang it. Wait, I can go to the door.
Oh, well, Mika. I'm just gonna follow you.
No, if you follow me, then that means you're on route.
So, I'm gonna hide with you. Let's go! I'm gonna escape. Man, we can escape.
Because we're OMG, I don't want the map. You.
What happened to the map?
You.
Her.
Rar.
Huh? You? Oh, I like this hospital because last time I kill all the people when I'm the merd. Right, Mika?
Hey!
Right, Mika? Right?
Yeah. R-I-G-H.
Bye, guys.